guys, Hannah Gardner here. This video we are going to be showing it's just me. It's literally just me. I'm working a lot with e-commerce clients lately, and a lot of people have been asking me what is the best platform to start an e-commerce business on. And I'm gonna tell you right now, especially for someone new entering the space, in every angle, Shopify is the best platform for you to use. As far as a beginner starting e-commerce store. It has all the bells and whistles that you need. It makes it stupid simple to use and to grow and scale your business. And I'm going to show you why right here, right now. I'll see you in a sec. So we are going over Shopify and my recommendations for anybody that is new in the e-commerce place and is trying to figure out what is really the best platform for them as they're entering this new world of digital entrepreneurship. So first off, Shopify is $29 a month. That's relatively cheap if you're thinking from a business standpoint. It costs you $29 a month to host all of your products, integrate it with Stripe. So not only host your products, but it also integrates with other platforms that make it really stupid, simple, easy to run a business. So one of the things that's involved with running a business is allowing people to pay for your products, which is Stripe. It also hosts a URL, so you can buy your business name URL right inside of Shopify. So that's included. You don't have to go to another hosting platform. It's like all in one included. Other important features that come with running an online business is hosting your email list. Right? The fortune is in the follow-up. You grow your list. You have to host all your contacts somewhere. Integrates really, really simple with other platforms to host your email list. Unlimited products, staff accounts. So I guess if you have another person working for you, you can get another person like in the account as well, up to 2 people, 24/7 support. The support for Shopify, I have to say, is pretty good, especially when you're working with themes and stuff. Like, you are limited on the platform if like you want to make something really specific look a certain way. It does require coding, but that's like any platform. That's not just Shopify. So if you're working with like Wix or WooCommerce or something, you still have limitations to what you do based off the template that you're using. So it's the same as everything else. But Shopify support is pretty good. Like, you can email them and be like, I think you get like, when you get an account, you get like an hour of like free coding service. So if you do want something specific, try to build your template as good as you can. And then if there's like little things that you want tweaked here and there, like hit up the support and like they'll get you with like a Shopify CSS coder to like do it for you for free. I think for like the first few tries, if you want something like super specific, yeah, you're going to probably have to hire a coder, which can get pretty expensive, but their support is pretty decent. You also get sales channels, sell online, marketplace, and social media. So Shopify like easily connects with like your social media platforms. So it like syncs together and all your products can be automatically uploaded to like your Facebook store. Super, super stupid simple. Manual order creation, discount codes, free SSL certificate. I don't even know what that is. Abandoned cart recovery. So that's like one of the automations that Shopify has. It's not the best, but it is there. So like if someone like is about to buy and then they abandon cart, it will send an automatic notification like saying, hey, you forgot to check out, blah, blah, blah. And it actually can show you what, like if the email worked, if it actually recovered the purchase. So other things like gift cards, professional reports, stuff like that is not included in the $29. But honestly, these are all the things that you need. I'm going to show you the inside of a Shopify platform. Let's see what we got. Shopify payments. So Shopify payments, Shopify's merchant is Stripe. It's pretty standard with any merchant processor. Stripe is like basically what everyone uses because it's just the easiest. Stripe is like, the step up from like PayPal, right? You can also use PayPal, but Stripe is like the easier version, I guess, or the better version in my eyes. Online credit card rate, so it's a 2.9 fee. I mean, everything comes out to like 3%, basically, is what you have to pay for the transactions. But I mean, that's pretty standard whether you have an online or offline business. If you have like an extreme amount of volume going through your website, like you just have like this winning store already up and going, and it's like really, really worth your time to battle with like figuring out a coder or somebody that can integrate another merchant with your Shopify account, go ahead and do that. But if you're a newbie, Stripe is just like, if you want to keep it simple because you still have all this other shit to worry about with your business, just use Stripe. It's really simple. Unlimited, I don't even know what all this means, but yeah, pretty straightforward. And then it goes up from there. I mean, in comparison to like WooCommerce and stuff, I mean, when it comes to e-commerce specifically, Shopify really just outshines all of them. But I'm going to show you the inside of a Shopify platform. This is one of my clients. We'll come in here. Let's see what we got going on. So in here, this is what the inside of this is what your desktop looks like. And basically everything that you need and everything that you're looking for is on this sidebar here. You can see your orders, your products, your customers, your analytics, your marketing, your discounts. Now, if you're coming in here and you're first wanting to create your website, you would come into online store. And you would come in here and you would pick a theme. So you come in here and you can see free themes and you explore free themes. And these are free websites, like templated websites that Shopify gives you. So you literally can come in here and grab a venture website and just literally drag and drop and build out your website. So let's see. So this is my published website, but this is like other websites that I edit, and say I wanted to publish this one, make it my main website, I would just come over here and push publish, but I'm not going to do that because that would take away the website that's published. But I'm just going to show you, come in here and show you how easy it is to simply just edit your website. So I already have products uploaded. So you're gonna see them, maybe not see them. So basically when you're building your website within Shopify, everything that you need is right here. I'm trying to figure out the best way to explain to you like the brain of how you manage technical things in your websites versus just the aesthetics. Basically everything in here is like, when you come in here to edit the website, like you're just editing like surface level stuff. Now, if you want to go and edit like product descriptions, the product price and all that stuff, that's like more so on the back end. But all this stuff right here pretty much just shows you how to edit like aesthetic stuff. So like slideshow, come up here. I want to select an image. You upload an image, whatever, put a picture there. Select. I mean, obviously it would make things look prettier than that. But yeah, it's really, really simple. You would save it. As far as like the back end, if you want to upload products, you would come in here. We would add a product, collections. So you would list all your products and then you would categorize them by collections. You can track all your inventory if you do have inventory. This business is made to order. We don't have gift cards because we're on the base plan. Come in, you can see all your customers, your analytics, discounts. So because you're on the base plan, you don't have gift cards, but if you ever wanted to give someone a percentage off, you would just come in here and make discount. You would make that person their personal discount code. It takes 2 seconds, and then there you go. That's their gift card per se, instead of using gift cards. You can come in here, sales channels. That's where you can connect your Facebook, your Pinterest, all your Instagram, all the things that you want. Basically up here, or not up here, over here, settings. This is where it gets into like the back end of your account. So like, how do you want to customize your checkout process? How do you want to set up your taxes? Your business location, your shipping, what kind of shipping providers are you using? If you use like USPS, FedEx and stuff, this really calculates it all yourself. Like Shopify calculates all of it for you. Like you just have to put in the weights and say which what shipment company you're using. It makes it so easy. And then you just go and whenever you're ready, when you get an order, you just print the shipping label right from here. And it just charges you to print the shipping label or whatever. So then it's already paid for. All you got to do is just go drop it off at the mail place, whatever. So really easy notifications. That's where we were talking about like abandoned checkouts, like confirmation emails, stuff like that. Another really cool thing, if you want to think of like Shopify as like your iPhone, right? So there's all these features with your iPhone, but then you also can add apps, right? So you have your iPhone, and then your iPhone has your messages, it has your photos, it has your videos, it has your notes, it has all these things that come with the phone. But then on top of your phone, you can also buy applications, right? So Shopify is like similar for like add-ons. So you just like you would go to the App Store on your iPhone, you come in here to Shopify, you can go to visit the App Store and you can buy like little bells and whistles, right? You can buy video for your checkout page, just things that you can add to your store to customize your store to make it a better experience. MailChimp for Shopify, this is actually not going to be around anymore. I guess MailChimp and Shopify got in a big fight, and so they ended their relationship. But that's an email marketing platform. So my best advice was to do some research on email marketing platforms for e-commerce and purchase one of those, and then you can come to the Shopify App Store and you can integrate it. So like Klaviyo is another one that's really good. What other ones are there? There's ActiveCampaign. There's a lot of email autoresponders that integrate with Shopify. For the most part, super, super easy. I was working with a WooCommerce client before that had their website hosted on WordPress, and then they had WooCommerce, and it's just a nightmare. I mean, it is just like so complex. I mean, just to put in an integration was just like, I don't know. I did not understand the brain of it. This is very intuitive. It's very pretty self-explanatory. This won't take you very long to figure out. But yeah, your apps, there's a lot of cool stuff that you can add to your website. I do recommend you not add too many apps, like too many like bells and whistles to your website, because it could slow down the loading time for your website, and loading time is key. You don't want people waiting for your website to load, because they will not wait. People don't wait for anything. But you can get some simple stuff like this quick announcement bar by Hexam. That's like a free shipping like bar at the top of your website. Just little things that maybe your template doesn't provide. But really easy. The analytics is really good as well. You can see, I don't want to show you all my clients' stuff, but just super, super easy. Let's go products. You can go to collections. You can organize by collections, and then, when you want to add a collection on your website, you just add it in here into the template. But yeah, overall, super simple. You would customize. I'm not going to customize the one that's there, but basically I would have a collection list. There's my collection. I'd pick which collections I would want to go there. Say the children's collection there. And there you go. There's little things, theme settings. This is like more aesthetic stuff, as I said. So you could change like the fonts, the colors, social media, sections, You can come over here, add sections. It gives you a bunch of different types of sections that you can add, blog posts, galleries, and it's really just drag and drop. And like I said, if there is something very specific that you want, you can either see if there's an app that will do it for you in the App Store, or you can contact Shopify and see if they can hook it up and maybe give you some free coding, or if not, you may have to pay for it. But yeah, really simple. If you guys have any questions, comment down below. If you are thinking about doing a trial and maybe you want to have like a one-on-one like session with me, if you do use my affiliate link, I am opening to speaking with you guys on the phone or on like a FaceTime call or Zoom call, and helping you guys. So if you do use that, is if you use my affiliate link, I'm open to actually helping you and kind of doing a more personal walkthrough on the platform, so we can get you up and going. So if you do use my affiliate link, comment down below that you've used it, and you would like to set up a meeting with me, and I can shoot you my Calendly link, and then we can have a meeting. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you feel like you got any value, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will talk to you later.